Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas I will share you friends. So I hope you like my video, so please like. So let's start today video friends. As the holiday season arrives, there's something magical about creating a centerpiece that becomes the heart of your home. A small space on the table shelters all the warmth of the entire season. Today I am bringing together a simple element, nature, texture, and a soft light to create a Christmas centerpiece that feels cozy, peaceful, and full of festive charm. I start with the base, nothing too fancy, nothing too complicated, just a natural surface that feels warm to the touch. A hint of greenery comes next, fresh beans, branches, a few sprigs of tulips, and the soft scents that instantly remind you of winter evening spent with family. Then come the pincones, little treasures from nature. I placed them gently, letting each one add its own bit of rustic magic. A few red berries for color, dry orange for warmth, and suddenly the wall arrangement began to feel alive. I add candles because Christmas always looks better in soft, glowing lights. As the flames flicker, decorative that gentle golden shimmer that make everything feel clean and comfort. And viewers, so friends, a small string of fairy lights was thought that trains, giving the centerpiece a touch of sparkle without overpowering it. No glitter, no heavy decoration, just the beauty of simple natural elements coming together, and that's what makes this centerpiece special. It's peaceful, elegant, and perfectly festive. A reminder that Christmas don't need to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the most beautiful decorations are made from the simplest things. So I hope you will like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. Good afternoon.